Hey y'all, and thanks for joining me. Today we're doing breakfast, not lunch, not dinner. Of course, I guess you can have these for lunch or dinner. We're gonna make some delicious breakfast subs. These things always turn out so great. I love them. They're really easy to do on the Blackstone. I love breakfast on the Blackstone. I'm not gonna lie. That's probably one of my favorite meals to ever cook. Now, I don't cook breakfast on here as much as you think I would. As much as I love it, you think I do it just about daily, but I don't. Now, you see what we're cooking with. I just went to the grocery store, picked out some ingredients, figured this would be good to throw together for these subs. Now, my recipes and, well, basically anybody's recipes are very customizable. Even on this, you'll see one sub does not have peppers because, well, I'm not calling no names, but the missus don't like peppers, so her sandwich won't be as good as mine, in my opinion, but you can change it up, do whatever you want to with it. So what you want to go ahead and do is fire up that Blackstone, get it heating up. Because when it comes to breakfast, you don't want to waste any time. Let's get on over and check on that Blackstone and see if it's time to start cooking. All right, I'm starting to see that white smoke. That means it's time to get some groceries on the griddle. So go on and grab up your favorite breakfast sausage and let's get it cooking. Come on, it'll get out there in a minute. There we go, just reach in there and grab it out, y'all. It'll be okay. And while we're grabbing stuff to cook, go on and grab that bacon too. Now, I went ahead and cut up my bacon because I want it smaller pieces. You can cook it whole and crumble it up later, however you want to do it. I just find it's easier to go ahead and cut it up. Let's get on the griddle now. Got to have every last piece of that one too. Now, this is only one tube of sausage. You're cooking for a lot of people, cook more. I think this is probably going to make more than 2 sandwiches. If I need to make 3, I don't think nobody's going to be mad at me about it. So let that brown up. Let's get this bacon spread out a little bit here. Man, some breakfast sausage on the Blackstone along with some bacon on the Blackstone. Now you know this is how to start your day right here. Now it shouldn't take long to get the sausage and the bacon done. You see that sausage cooking up pretty quickly. And that's good, that's what you want. And give this bacon a stir. Don't neglect it either. Well, the sausage is pretty much done, and so is this bacon over here. It's looking really good, y'all. So now, we just want to mix them all together. Make it one big happy family. Now let's just kind of spread it out. Now from here, I'm gonna go ahead and pour these eggs in. Now I got 5 eggs that I've beaten really well, and I'm just gonna kind of pour it in this sausage and bacon mixture and kind of cook it and kind of make a scramble out of it. But you wanna pour it slow. No need to be fast with it. Just kind of fold it as you go. Get the rest of this on here now. There we go. Nice looking, pretty good. It's kind of what you want right there. We need to add some flavor. So grab that lumberjack seasoning and let's add that flavor. Oh, wow. That smell. The smell of that lumberjack seasoning with its bacon and eggs and sausage. Oh, yeah. Mix that in good. And now I do know everybody does want onion in there, so I'm gonna go ahead, I got some chopped red onion right here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Kind of get that all softened up just a little bit. I'm gonna cook that down just a little bit, make it where it's not so crunchy. And now something else everybody wants is some cheese. Now I have some freshly grated Colby Jack cheese right here I'm gonna use. I thought about using pepper jack, but then again, my wife don't like the spiciness of it, so I opted for the Colby Jack. So let's spread some of that on here. Get it good and cheesy. Save some of that for last. Mix it all up together now. So now I think what I want to do, because some of this I do want the peppers in, some of it don't, I'm just going to separate it. I think I'll take that half and that half. I'll give the missus more of it. How's that? I'll keep this half for me. So I'm gonna grab me some diced bell peppers. Put them in there like that. And I gotta have me some jalapeno, y'all. Just got to. Give them a good mix over here. I do believe I could probably just put that in a bowl right now and just eat it. That really does look good and it smells amazing. But even without the peppers, it still looks good, I think. Hers is gonna be okay, but not as good as mine. So now I went ahead and got me some sub buns just from the deli, just something simple. What I usually do is I bring it down here and just kind of size it up. Get an idea how much I need on a sandwich. Give me an idea what I'm looking at right there. That looks about good. I'll do the same over here with this. Let's push the rest up to the back right here. Yeah, that looks about good right there, don't it? There ain't no science to this. You just kind of play along with it and get it filled up like you want it. Now I think I'm gonna take a little more cheese and put on top of each pile right here. Because cheese is like bacon. I don't think you can have enough. And so now grab your sub buns and just kind of put it down on top like that right there. Get them things heated up into cooking. Let's put all you to the back right here. Looks like I have enough back there to make some breakfast bowls out of, which possibly might happen. But right now, it won't be long. These two sandwiches right here will be ready to take up. So now these things have been cooking maybe a minute or two with them buns covered it up in that cheese. So let's go ahead and take them up and see what we got. Oh, look at that. That looks good, y'all. Let's take this one up. Yes, sir, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. All right, let's take them over here and check them out. Well, that's how you make a quick breakfast right there. I mean, 2 quick subs right there turned out perfect. And honestly, if you eat all this for breakfast, you probably won't eat again for most of the day. That's a lot of food. But I say let's do a little post dusting now. Little more of this lumberjack. Sure can't hurt it, that's for sure. Yeah, these subs right here turned out pretty doggone good looking. Now I need to know from you down in the comments, are you team peppers or team no peppers? Let me know, because I'm team peppers. But right now, we got to try them out, y'all. We just have to. Well, there ain't one thing left to do, and that's try it out. Now, like I said, I'm team pepper, so I got to leave this one over here alone. I can't mess with that one too much. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. Look how soft that bread is. Yes, sir. Let's try it out. That's the way to start the day, right there. First off, the sub buns from the deli, perfect. They're soft, they're warm, they're just so good. But all that sausage and that bacon, of course my peppers and onions really set off. That lumberjack seasoning really adds another level of flavor to it. These are really good. Personally, I know I'll add a lot of cheese. I could go for more cheese in mine. That's just my preference. Let me know down below what would be your preference in a sub like this. And would you toast the bread more? What would you, I would love to know what you do different. I think these are perfect. As you've seen, I had plenty more left over there. I might make some more subs, might make these into breakfast bowls. Don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet, but I promise you it'll get to eat. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Perfect way to start your day. You can make these up, feed an army with them, and have a great day. And speaking of that, I need to go have a great day with my family, and hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.